If you are asking yourself which is the best trading app in the world at this time, which is the most profitable trading app at this time, and also if you are interested on last results about Forex Gump Expert Advisor, the expert advisor that I told you about on Friday, on last Friday, this video is for you. Hi, my name is Chris and I'm from It for Spread. Welcome to my channel and welcome in today's video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. Alright, so that being said, without further ado, let's jump into the video. All right, everyone, I hope everybody's well today. So in this video, first thing first, I will show you my last results using Forex Gump Expert Advisor. As you can see it here, it's up and running on my MT4 platform. Also, I will share with you and I will make a live trading session using the best trading app at this point. The most profitable trading app at this point. But let's start with Forex Gump Expert Advisor. This is an expert advisor for MT4 platform, and I started using it last Friday. The robot placed some trades on Friday, and I showed you yesterday's trade, and today now placed a lot of trades also. So I will show you the results, to make an idea about this trading, about this expert advisor. And let's go ahead and I will show you what is happening right now, and I will show you also the account history. So as you can see, we have at this point the robot has placed, these are all the trades, all trade GBP, USD, US dollar, Swiss franc. Now these trades are running at this point, but we are on minus 2600 and 2700, as you can see here. So it's not, the things are not going very well, but the trades are not closed yet, because this what was happening also Friday, and all the trades were in the money. So we should wait what will happen with these trades which are open right now. But if we go in the account history, if we go here on custom period, let's put it here from 4, which was Friday, until today, which is 7, and click OK. And we have here a 536 profit starting from Friday. All these are all the trades from Friday, and now we are on minus 2700. So I will keep you update with this expert advisor. I am trading it with on a demo account. I have a 30-day money back guarantee, as I told you in the presentation video about this EA. So let's see what will happen after 10-15 days, and if the things are not going well, I will get my money back from them. All right, let's go ahead and now let's go to the most profitable trading app that I've been using so far, which is boom. Yes, that's it. Droid Pro. Droid Pro gave me the most profitable trade so far. So as you can see, I have a profit of $12,350 so far. I already made and the profit and the balance is showing 2,600 because I already made $10,000 withdrawal. I'll put the video somewhere here if you want to watch the withdrawal process with Droid Pro and also DAX base broker. This is the broker that I'm using with Droid Pro. You are not able to choose your broker. This broker was assigned me because it's available in my area. You might have other broker, because this is a question that a lot of are asking me about. And as you can see, the profit is the balance is reflected also here on DAX base broker. So in today's video, I will make a live trading session. For those of you who are new to my channel, Droid Pro, it was launched in December 2021, and I got pretty much good results with it. And now we have here this update. We are able to choose the amount that we can trade per trade, which is very good. We can start from $25 per trade, up to 1500, and in today's video I will choose $200. I will increase it, so let's see what will happen. And here be careful to choose only the signals that are with green. So we have this Bitcoin USD, which is a long, AUD USD, it is a short. We have Euro Canadian dollar, it is a buy, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, a short. We have one, two, three, four trades. So let's place a few more. Ethereum, Euro. Let's click on trade. Euro, Japanese yen. Let's click on trade. Euro, Japanese yen. AUD, Swiss franc. It was the one before. And here it's expiring right now, so there is no point to place it. As you can see here, we have the broker here, this on this button. If you'll try this crypto droid pro app on demo, because it's coming with a demo, after you try it, you put here on, and you'll get signals and you'll be able to see how things are working. And then when you decide to jump into the real money, you just push here on this deposit button. It will take you to your assigned broker account, deposit the minimum of $250, and you're good to go to use and make this kind of money, as you can see here. Let's trade also Bitcoin Euro, which is a long, and Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, it is a long. So only $800 left into my account because I'm trading with $200. I will place one more because I don't want to blow up all my account in case things are going wrong with this trading session. Here we have cryptocurrencies, we have currency pairs. You can select or deselect in order to not receive signals from currency pairs or cryptocurrency. If you want to trade only with cryptocurrencies, you deselect or currency pairs or vice versa, and that's it. Here you go to the demo. Here you can choose any trading chart you want. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar, and you can see what is happening. As you can see, it is a downtrend here. Here are the market news, live market news, because this trading app is using fundamental analysis, which is based on news release, and also technical analysis, which is based on indicators and so on. And let's place also Ethereum USD, and that's it. Is the trading session, and let's place also this one AUD USD, and now I have $400 left into my account, which is great. So I know from my experience that it will take some time in order to close these trades. So I will be back with the results of today's trading session. So stay here, don't go. I'll be back in 1 second. Alright guys, so I'm back with today's trading session using Crypto Droid Pro, and as you can see, still two trades to close, and I have into my balance $3,200. So I started this account with 2,600 dollars. So $600 profit so far with Crypto Droid Pro, which is not bad. Is not bad still. Two trades to close, so let's see what will happen in today's trading session. And Ethereum USD is closed 3,600. That means it was a winning trade. So let's wait for this one to close, and then we will go to see all the trades, what was happening with all the trades. And as you can see, this trading app is very easy to use, even if for a newbie trader. So the only thing that you have to do is to go here, click on the deposit button, go. It will take you to your assigned broker account. As you can see, my assigned broker is DAX base, and the last one is closed AUD USD, $4,000 profit. So this one, it was also a profitable trade. So go to your assigned broker account, deposit a minimum $250, and you will be good to go to use this trading app. I'll put a link below this video in the description area for you to be easier to access this unbelievable trading app. Okay, so let's have a look here on what was happening in today's trading session. Today is 7th of March. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Where is it? So we have, as you can see, two losing trades in today's trading session, which is unbelievable. I will not tell you on every trade in part. You can see it here that two trades are out of the money. Ethereum Euro, which was a buy, and also Canadian dollar, Japanese yen, losing trades, and the rest of them are in the money. So how much it was? It's 4,000. So We have 1,400 dollar profit in today's trading session using Crypto Droid Pro app. So this is the video for today. If you like the video, give me a like and also share this video to your friends. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell. In this way, you'll be notified every time I'm uploading new videos. And I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.